All right, this is what we waited for. Ricky Corey has things pretty well in hand.
I think the advantage that I have over my competition in order to win championships like this multiple times running would definitely have to be my mechanical knowledge of the bikes. Every aspect of them, chassis-wise, suspension-wise, engine-wise, electronics-wise, because it takes every aspect of knowing the bike and making it work properly in order to be able to win every race. Our ultimate goal is to develop RCR performance into a larger, more successful business, and of course, keep competing and winning races. My experience as a rider is hugely important to my success. Being able to win on a bike and make a bike fast is my business. So being able to do that successfully is making my business successful. I started racing mini road race bikes, 50cc full-size road race bikes, and worked my way up to expert and decided I wanted to go full-size bike racing. Before I race, you can get very nervous, so I tend to take some time to myself to just relax and concentrate and think about what I'm going to do, and it'll work out better in the start of the race so you don't have too much adrenaline rushing.
Green flag and we're racing. Ricky Corey with a hole shot, and Tucker Lancaster with a hell of a shot. Martin Schwartz gets a fumbled second. He goes backwards a little bit.
I get along with most of my competition now fairly well. Sometimes you'll have some rivals and some emotions and some battles with other racers, but I think that's just life, and in the end I try to become friends with everyone.
And here we go. Ricky Corey, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. He's on the back wheel all the way.
The plan is to win a third championship in a row with AFM. Get the #1 plate 3 times in a row. It's never been done, so it would be a good challenge, and it could be a great accomplishment.
Who would you like to thank for putting your bike on the box, on the top of the box once again?
Yeah, definitely my dad with Corey & Sons Paving, San Jose Yamaha, Axial Video Systems, and Graves Motorsports. Big thanks to Dunlop Racing Tires, Accu Products, Zuni Leathers, Brake Tech Rotors, Brodo Brake Pads, GP Frame and Wheel, Pacific Track Time.